Don't do that. Don't do that. What's wrong with the mirror? You can't go in the mirror. What are you doing? Bro, you can't go in the mirror. Yeah, you can't go in the mirror. I'm sorry. You can't go in the mirror. What are you doing, bro? You can't go in the mirror. Bro. Oh my God. What is he doing? You can't go in the mirror. Okay, he's not gonna quit. He's just gonna... Alright, yeah, just do what you want. Do what you want. Oh my God, bro. Oh, what do you want, bro? You want me to stop you? I don't want you to hurt your beak. Yeah, I don't want to hurt your beak. I'm gonna throw you away. Don't. I'll record another video if he does that.